Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a sitemap for your WordPress site using Yoast SEO. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Once it appears, click Install, then activate the plugin. After activating, go back to the left panel and click on Yoast SEO, then choose Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find XML sitemaps under the API section. Click on the View Sitemaps, and there you have it. Your sitemap is now generated. Next, submit your sitemap to Google to help search engines discover and index your pages more efficiently. To do that, go to Google Search Console. From the left panel, click on Sitemaps. Here, paste the URL of your first sitemap and click Submit. Repeat the process for any other sitemap links. And that's it. You've successfully created and submitted your sitemap for WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.